The purpose of evaluating leaflet structure and function is discerning if the patient would benefit from mitral valve replacement or if they're a repair candidate instead. It also helps identify risk factors for mitral valve repair failure, such as for primary MR, certain SAM risk factors, or for secondary MR if they have associated tethering and tenting of the mitral valve that's very severe. For mitral regurgitation patients, you always want to walk away saying you know three things: the mechanism, the location, and the severity of the MR jet. Is it primary versus secondary MR, where you know the Carpentier class as well? Can you discern the exact location of the leaflet pathology? And then can you apply that 2017 ASE algorithm for native valvular regurgitation to determine the severity of the valve being mild, moderate, or severe regurgitation? For mitral stenosis, I want to determine the etiology of the mitral stenosis, as different etiologies have different repair or replacement strategies. Is it rheumatic? Is it calcific? Or is it another different type of etiology altogether? Also, if there's significant calcification, that can add complexity for the surgeon when performing mitral valve replacement. My approach for evaluating the mitral valve is very simple. I start with a mid-esophageal commissural view. I will XPlane through this and then have a long axis view where I look at A2 and P2 leaflet pathology. Then I'll slide my XPlane more laterally to look at A1 and P1, and then finish by sliding more medially to look at A3 and P3. I'll do this all with and without color, and with that, I should be able to determine the mechanism, location, and severity of any leaflet pathology and get a good idea of leaflet structure as well. If I'm unable to see with that system exactly what I need to see, there are other views available that I would go to further evaluate the mitral valve as well. Keep in mind, with 2D echocardiography, there are many different types of pathology you may encounter, and the easiest way to think about these is by Carpentier class, dividing them into type 1, type 2, and type 3. Normal leaflet motion, excessive leaflet motion, and restricted leaflet motion.